Did you guys see how much money that finance guy makes on YouTube? I love it when big YouTubers reveal how much money they make. And what about small YouTubers? Not so much. No, how much does he make?
$1,739,826.
Guys, I've done the research. People want to know how much YouTubers make. We use a program called TubeBuddy, which shows us how competitive a search term is. Did you say TubeBuddy? Is that a program you'd recommend? Oh yeah, for sure. Just look here. You can see how many people are searching for how much money do YouTubers make. Look, I think in this week's video, we reveal how much money we make on YouTube. Why don't we get a huge pile of cash and
$430,000 in one fucking month.
we're not making any money. Or we could hire a plane and we can't afford to hire a plane. And the last time we worked with a plane, you crashed it and almost killed that kid. Luckily, he was a professional like Tom Cruise.
I knew I broke it instantly.
And he still wanted to finish the scene. Yeah, I remember that.
You want to go again? You want to go again? Of course you want to go again.
Look, in any event, how do you want to make a YouTube video about how much money we make when we don't make any money? That's true. How can we hire a plane if we don't have any money? Well, we don't have to reveal how much money we make. We could just reveal how much other YouTubers make.
$88,717.64.
$6,359.91.
$1,583,755.81 in ad revenue.
$1,700 on YouTube ads.
I've made this chart. The guy spends all day researching YouTube, and this is what he comes up with. Okay guys, I've got a meeting with the location scout. Why don't we meet up later and go over some other ideas? See you guys later. What's with the location scout? I know, right? I know we don't have any money to film on location, so I bet they're meeting on location, but really they're just having